Welcome back to Creations by Kim, and I have my grandson here. We'll call him G-Kid number 3 and everything, and I've decided to let him be my second video and everything, and he has decided he wants to do some light blue. I don't know, let's see if we get our lights back on over here so we can see.
We need some light.
So we have light blue. We have some yellow, and we have some red.
Yep.
So, okay. Did you decide you wanted to do some white on the bottom, or no?
Yeah, no.
No? Okay, I've already pre-treated it with gesso, so it should be smoother. Okay, we got a cup. And which one do you want to go first?
Yeah.
Yellow first?
Yeah.
Okay.
And number 1, because you didn't use it.
All right. And then what's next?
Light blue.
Light blue? Okay, and then red will be last. Okay.
Because it's dark.
Oh, you know what we didn't do?
What?
Do you want the little air dots in it? You want to put some of this in there?
Yeah.
You do want some? Okay. In every color or just a couple of them?
I don't know. You can choose.
Okay, we'll just put a little in every one of them. So 3 drops in each. Oh, okay. Don't rock on the table.
You want to see it go down.
Okay. Put some of this in here.
Whoa, it's a waterfall.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, you're mixing it together.
Okay. I'll do this second one.
It's like you're making a poster.
Mm-hmm.
Of 3 colors.
Use more paint this time, see if we get a better flow. Yeah, your cup is a lot fuller than mine was last time, wasn't it?
Yep.
Okay. All right.
It's flowing.
Just about full. All right. Let's do it this way.
We're waiting.
Yeah, we'll poke a hole in the bottom. Ooh.
It's a water.
Is it moving on its own?
Yeah. It's a waterfall.
Ooh.
Ooh. I'm good at this.
Yep.
Ooh. I let you pick twice.
Yeah.
On the name in the video and the air bubbles.
All right. Ready to lift up the cup?
Yeah.
Do you want to lift up the cup or you want me to?
Let's both do it.
Both do it? Okay. Up. Ooh. Okay, let go.
Whoa, it got some.
You want some more squigglies on top or just on the side? Ooh. It's going to cover that up anyway.
That was cool. I'm good at this.
You are good at this. Let's go ahead and not waste this paint.
I gotta tell Kimmy I did something.
Wait, let's wait.
Why?
And we'll show them here in a little bit. I'll take a picture and they can come up and see it if they want to. Okay.
We're all done.
No, we're not.
Oh,
We're not done yet. Okay, here we go. You ready?
yeah.
Whoop. Do you have a favorite spot on here that you like what it's doing? Because some of it's going to run off the canvas.
That's okay. We have this.
Yeah.
You can do it while I just watch. Oh, look at my paint. It's all colorful.
Mm-hmm.
Red paint.
That's what we want it to do. We're pouring it all for the canvas.
So we can have enough to fill this up. The canvas up.
Mm-hmm.
Sticks are fun.
Mm-hmm.
Whew. Hey, chocolate.
Wait for it.
Hey, the shirt didn't get dirty.
Wow, you're good.
I
I just didn't want Mom or Dad to get mad if you had your shirt ruined.
My old shirt.
Dip in the corners.
Actually, it's Kenny's old shirt.
And then look. See how this side over here?
This is Kenny's old shirt.
Actually, I think that might be your dad's old shirt.
From when he was little?
Mm-hmm.
Are you finished?
Look, we're touching it up on the sides, making sure the canvas is covered all the way around. Do you like that?
Yeah.
Do I need to tilt it some more?
No, it's good.
Okay.
I took out the shirt.
Well, we're gonna
Look,
whop our
they're
finger
not-
on.
They're not. The mayor and the president. The mayor Joshua and
There you
the
go.
president of United States of America get to agree if they want to take down a building or not.
Oh.
But
Alright.
I'm gonna
There we
be
go.
a zookeeper. The whole world
Okay.
is gonna be a zoo. Everyone will just live at the zoo.
A building. Okay, come here.
A giant.
Come here, take a peek. Does that look good?
Yeah.
All right. We're
Now,
gonna call it good. All right. Thanks for joining Creations by Kim, and we'll join you next time. Bye.